Yeah. Hi. Today we will cover Java 11 interview questions. What are the key features introduced in Java 11? Where in lambda parameters, new string methods is blank, lines, strip, etc. HTTP client, collection dot array, optional dot is empty, local variable syntax for lambda parameters, remove deprecated APIs and Java FX. What is the significance of Java 11 being an LTS release? It's a long-term support version LTS with extended support for production use. Which features were removed or deprecated in Java 11? Java FX is removed from JDK. Removal of the PEG 200 tools. Nestron JavaScript engine is deprecated. What are the new string methods in Java 11? Is blank, lines, strip, strip leading, strip trailing, repeat. How is strip different from trim? Strip uses Unicode aware space characters. Trim uses ASCII only. Where in lambda parameters? Java 11 supports where in lambda expressions useful for annotation and improving clarity. Example non-null wheres and system.out.println s. HTTP client API supports HTTP /1.1 and HTTP/2 fully asynchronous with completable features. Replaces HTTP URL connection. How do you make an async HTTP request using Java 11 HTTP client? We can see by this program HTTP client dot new HTTP client HTTP request HTTP request dot new builder dot URI dot build clients dot send async method we will use here request body handlers dot of string then accept. Optional and collection enhancements. Optional is empty method added collections to array int function for type save conversion. How is Java 11 better in terms of performance? Faster startup and lower memory usage. Improved JIT compiler support GRAIL. Enhanced GC option JCC and Epsilon GC. Removed modules and APIs. Removed java.xml.ws, java.xml.bind, java.activation, etc. Java FX removed from the JDK. What is the epsilon GC in Java 11? A known of garbage collector allocates memory but never reclaims it, useful for performance testing. Which modules were removed in Java 11? Java EE and Core modules, java.xml.ws, java.xml.bind, java.activation. How do you run code that use JavaX or XV or Java FX in Java 11? Add them as external dependency using Maven Gradle. What are the key considerations when migrating from Java 8 to Java 11? Removed APIs, GE modules, NASON, module system introduced in Java 9, third-party library comparatively TLS 1.3 enabled by default. How do you handle add modules during migration? Add missing modules explicitly in command line or period config. Add modules java.xml bind. If you like this presentation, please like, share and subscribe. Ring the bell to get notified of all new content. Thank you.